All rise. Judge Vanderbilt Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1035, Smith case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Ms. Smith, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Well, good morning. I come here today to try to get his child support raised.
Okay.
We have one child, and I believe that he has some income that he's actually not reporting. We kind of try to make it work not too long ago, and when I was at his house, I found a bunch of pornographic movies.
What do you mean make it work?
We've been separated for a long time. Our son's 11.
Okay.
But we kind of got back together, and he has a bunch of like pornographic movies in his house.
I'm afraid you're going to stab yourself in the eye with that thing.
Sorry.
I just don't want you to do that.
He's the main character on the movies with all these different women, and he is saying that he's that I can't be mad at him. It's not cheating if he's making porn, and some of them are in our bed. And I said, well, it doesn't work like that. You can't.
Whoa, did she say what I believe she did? She's accusing him of making adult films, and she's also claiming that some of them were filmed in their bed. This is a serious relationship breakdown, not just a child support case. The real question is, though, does it count as reportable income if he is making money from these films? And if so, could this case turn against him? Please share your ideas in the comments section below. Does this alter your perception of the father in this instance?
Just because you're filming doesn't mean it's not cheating. I said, you have to be getting paid for it to actually be a porn star. And he said he was getting paid for them. And there's tons of them. So I feel like...
So you believe he's getting paid from that?
Mm-hmm. And plus, his business, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it's almost close to 100,000, give or take, like maybe 10 to 15.
Okay.
So I feel like I get a measly $600 a month from him. I feel like...
Okay, if he's profiting from these films and failing to disclose it, that's a big problem. Let's break this down legally. When calculating child support, courts take into account all sources of income. The difficult part is proving it. Without concrete proof, such as bank statements, contracts, or tax records, the judge is legally unable to count it. Although this claim seems scandalous, she needs hard proof. No receipts, no case. But let's see where this goes.
So that's how much your child support is
currently
set at right now?
Yes.
Okay.
We went through mediation at the child support office.
Yeah.
So, but that was, you know,
How long ago was that?
He's 11, and I guess 10 years ago.
Oh yeah,
he was little.
That has been a while. You've been way overdue for a modification for a number of reasons. So about this income, is what she's saying true? Does it include that?
Well, it's a payment in one way or another.
Is a yes or a no?
No, ma'am, I'm not getting paid technically.
So that means you're lying. And
So you're doing it for
me.
free? Well, you know what? Never mind. That's not my business. I'm sorry. That's not my business. So your business, where you do make the money, she's talking about the $100,000. Do you make $100,000?
No, ma'am, I have 85 to 90,000 on the high end on a good year.
Okay. All right. What is it that you do?
I'm a mechanic.
Mechanic. Okay. All right. So you said 90 on the high end.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor, is there any way that we could subpoena his financial records for the porn thing?
Well, you can. I'm not going to do a subpoena on anything like that. I don't want to see it. Yeah. You can do that though. Yeah, if it exists, you can do that, you know, but subpoenas aren't free. So I hope you know exactly what it is that you're looking for.
Well, there's so many of them, and he told me that he's getting paid for them, and there's like thousands, not hundreds,
Okay.
thousands of DVDs with him in there on our bed.
I'll tell you what, once you find some sort of income, some paper trail that shows that, then if you were to bring it back in court, we could entertain it then. But as of today, unless you have some sort of proof that shows that he has income from that, And unless he tells me otherwise, I can't really go off of that. I can only go off of what he told me. And he said 90,000 on the high end. I think you're in pretty good shape. What do you do for a living?
I don't work. I take care of our kid.
So you're a stay-at-home mom?
Mm-hmm.
And she's 11?
He is.
He is
yeah,
11? He goes to school?
He does.
So what do you do during the day?
Nothing.
You don't want to work?
No.
So you're just living off of his child support?
I am. And we live with our mother.
And you're proud of that?
Well, we were living with him, and I was a stay-at-home mom. He made the income.
Okay.
But, I mean...
But you can work now, right?
I can, but...
So it's no but you can go get a job, right?
Everyone's circumstances are different, but here's the truth. Courts take into account a parent's ability to contribute financially. If she had a job, the child support amount might increase to reflect shared responsibility. However, does her refusal to work make her look bad in court, or is she just playing the system? Let us know what you think. Now, everyone in the courtroom is raising their eyebrows when she admits that she doesn't work or plans to and lives rent-free with her mother.
I could, but I'm not going to. My rent's free, my food is free. I mean, my mom's a homeowner. We don't have to pay nothing there.
Okay. You know, I'm not going to go there with you today because you can, obviously you're able to work.
I'm able, but I don't want to.
And you should work, but again, that has nothing to do with me today. What we're going to do is talk about the modification of these numbers, all right? So your income has increased. It's increased about almost $400. So based on you saying that you receive about 90,000 on the high end, that brings your gross to about $7,500, which your net is $5,400 and...
Today, the judge is not playing. The judge's breakdown makes it obvious that his declared income supports the increase, but no additional mysterious money equals no further payout. She sets it out in black and white. Child support is based on actual provable income, not what she believes he makes. Judges are masters at keeping emotions out of decisions, but will this case take a different turn given the mother's continued demands?
$65.22 that would bring, well, health insurance. Who covers health insurance?
I do.
And how much is that?
It's $110 a month.
Okay, 110. So what I'm going to do is give you credit actually for the health insurance coverage for the child. So that would slightly bring your child support down. And monthly, yes, slightly. It's still expensive. $1,093 a month is what he would pay in child support.
That's it?
That's it. Well, it would be more if you get a job.
He would pay more if I got a job?
No, it would be more for the child if you got a job.
Your Honor.
Ma'am, no.
You don't understand.
No, you don't understand. I'm basing his child support increase off of what it is that he makes. Nothing more.
He makes more than that.
Until you bring me something in here to show me that, that's what I'm going to base it off of. And again, you can work.
Can I say something?
No, ma'am. Only thing I need you to say is, Miss Vonda B, I'm going to go find me a job. That's all I want to hear. If it's anything else other than that, I'm not entertaining it. Pertaining to what I just said, do you have any questions?
In the middle of the climax, did she compare her ex to a dead battery? I've witnessed some crazy courtroom scenes, but these may rank in the top 5 most embarrassing things ever stated in front of a judge, along with the judge's instantaneous shutdown. Honestly, what do you think? Was she simply expressing her frustration, or did this really destroy her credibility? This is a courtroom, not an open mic night at a comedy club.
I will go look for a job, but please hear me out on one thing.
What is it? Make it quick.
I promise you I'll make it quick. Let's say that you have a battery-operated vibrator.
You know what? We're done right there. We're done. Is there anything further
You're about
for you,
to
sir?
climax.
Okay. Well,
the batteries go out.
Okay, thanks.
That's him.
Okay, great. Let me tell you what we're going to do. You all are done, and if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed. Thank you.
Everyone has been fired. Thank you. If you thought this case was as crazy as we did, please hit the like button. For more crazy room breakdowns, subscribe and leave a comment with your opinions. Believe me, there will be some examples that will leave you stunned until the next time. Keep your eyes open and alert, and we'll see you at the next one.